A very common problem people face in our medical device industry is how to demonstrate whether their FMEAs are sufficient for the purpose of ISO 14971, the international standard of risk management for medical devices. FMEA, or failure mode effect analysis, is a very commonly used tool in our industry for what I call engineering risk analysis. But for the purpose of ISO 14971, it is not sufficient, because you are required to analyze the risk of harm. If you are facing this problem, you are not alone, because this is a very common issue in our industry. Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Agarwal, and I'm so excited to offer you this hands-on workshop specifically designed to address this issue. You see, you have to go from the risk of failure to the risk of harm without disrupting your entire operation today. Right? FMEA is very complex to do. So in this workshop, I'm going to help you learn about some practical techniques that you can implement in your existing process to sufficiently demonstrate that you have analyzed the risk of harm. So if you are involved in the risk management process, whether you are part of product development or the quality regulatory function, operations, medical safety, this workshop is for you. If you do hands-on work during risk management process or make key decisions, this definitely is designed for you. We will learn what is required by the standard. What does risk assessment in the context of ISO 14971 mean? And why an FMEA is only part of the whole picture. We will talk a lot about the key terminologies, the basic terminology, and how to apply them correctly in your risk analysis process. We will learn about some basic fundamental techniques of probability and do some hands-on exercises. And finally, and most importantly, we will learn about some very practical techniques that I have actually helped many clients with. It has allowed them to integrate their current operations in a very compliant way with ISO 14971 without disrupting the whole thing. So I hope you will join me in this workshop. Two key points to focus on. First, it'll be live, so it's not a recorded session. You will have an opportunity to engage and ask your questions. And second, I have limited the class size to only 15 because in my experience, that is about the maximum number of people we can have at one time to have a good engagement and a good interaction so that you can get the most out of it. And trust me, this is not the only session of the workshop. We will have many more sessions. So I hope you will join me in learning about this particular problem and some practical techniques, how you can fix it. So I hope to see you all.